going on, everyone? Today we are removing the lower air deflector on my 2025 Toyota Sequoia. I've been rubbing it all against the floor, pulling out of driveways, and it's got to go because it's just, I'm scraping on everything. And the TRD Pros, they don't have them, so I think it looks a lot better without it. Just the ground clearance is just totally not good with this thing on here. It's super easy to remove. So to remove it, all you need is a 10mm socket. And if we look at the bottom here in the front, we're going to remove this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. And there's an equal amount all the way around that way. And then there's two on each side on the inner. Okay. Look in here, there's one here and one here, and this thing will come right off. So it's super easy, super quick. Make the oil changes easier too. There we go. Alright, there we go. Got plenty of ground clearance now. I think it looks way better. And all the little screws I took out, the 10mm, I'm going to put them all back in, just in case one day I do want to put this thing back on. And really, I might one day just modify this one to get this piece back up on there. I might just cut this guy, like cut it all the way like around here, and just have this top piece go back on. I might do that one day if I feel brave enough to just want to cut this thing up. Find out how much this costs first. But I hope the video was entertaining, and if it was, appreciate it if you can hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and if you want me to see some more Toyota Sequoia videos, hit the subscribe button.